Groovy chicken cashew, nut salad recipe. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup cashew nuts, roasted 6 cups mixed salad greens, lettuce, spinach, arugula, etc. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 cucumber, sliced 1-2 red onion, thinly sliced 1-2 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional. For the dressing, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Grill or pan fry until fully cooked. Allow them to cool, then slice into thin strips. In a large salad bowl, combine the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and sliced grilled chicken. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat the ingredients evenly. Add the roasted cashew nuts to the salad and toss again. If desired, sprinkle crumbled feta cheese on top for an extra layer of flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious groovy chicken cashew nut salad. Thanks for watching.